Hi, I'm Aaron Schultz with TopKrop Fertilizers. We have a liquid carbon product here that's typical on the market. It's a granulated ore brought down and solubilized into a liquid form. It doesn't mix real well with most pHs, so what you'll find is when your pH range is anywhere between 5 and 10, you get an adverse result. Your humic doesn't want to mix real good with your liquid fertilizer. As we mix it into our 622 starter here, you can see it gobulates and precipitates in the mix. It doesn't really do a really great job of staying in suspension or solution. What happens with this is we end up with plug filters, a big mess on your farm, and a very aggravated customer. When we take this same product, the 622 fertilizer, and we mix our new product Arabilis into it, this is what happens. Because of the high-grade humics we're using, doesn't matter how much we put into the solution, it solutionizes with the product and doesn't solubilize in the product. So as you see, you get a nice uniform mix that doesn't come out of suspension and stays in suspension for years to come. The benefit of this is when you go to the field, this is already pre-mixed, ready to go, no agitation required except for your fertilizer. You can see this flows through a 100 mesh filter, no issue. This product, you're gonna have problems. As you can see, we've only had this for a couple minutes and it's already gobulating and creating a mess in the fertilizer. For more information, visit topkrop.ca. We'll be happy to help you.